Up the run, 40.3 kilos there, 8-2.
Yes.
3,
4,
4, 8-4, 8-4, 8-4, 8-4, 8-4, 8-4, 40.3, non assured, 8-4, 8-4, 21, 21, 21, 21.
We've got 20 cows and they suckle 4 calves each. We give the skim milk to the pigs and we keep the cream to make the butter in our churn. We have 165 ewes on the farm and we make cheese from their milk.
She drives me crazy, 100 miles an hour, even round knife sharp turn. I feel great, but I don't feel the power. Another lesson to be learned, breaking hearts, chasing cat's eyes in the dark. I don't know just where I'm going wrong. Sleeping sickness